I've tried Auxein products. They work perfectly well about the angles of the implants or the anchors or the buttons. They are very helpful and they want really to make a difference in the world of sports injuries.
Of course, they are providing multiple solutions for the patients with shoulder instability, with rotator cuff injuries, with a wide variety of products, especially for the athletes, in order to have a proper rehab and returning back to practice their sports activities.
The material looks so good and it's quite easy to use, it's very handy, and I'm looking forward to use it in my own practice.
And having a good quality product that I seen you have is a must to really be able to get what you want to get, that is, be around all over the world. I've been recognized as a company that is very serious in orthopedic surgery.
I'm trying some of the products. I think I'll be moving to using them rather than any other product. The quality is great. There's a lot of versatility in using the instrument. The instrument set itself has so many options that makes the surgeon's life easy using that device.
The workshop as well was nice. The people are eager, the personnel are perfect, and they are willing to produce you with everything, with their information and the tools. Thank you, Auxein, for everything.
2 days workshop, well organized, and the faculty are helping us. The discussion, everything goes very well.
I'm thanking Auxein very much for everything they're doing, for me, for the patients, for the world.
You have a lot of future all around the world, and if you really want to conquest it, keep doing what you're doing.
I believe that if you go on like this with your dedication, your perseverance, I think you can be in one of the main players in the markets.
Auxein, go on, keep up the wonderful work. You are on the right track.